Black Diamond's alphabet of motivation. We all remember how we learned our ABCs, right? Well, try learning them again with a splash of motivation to guide you along your way. These motivational quotes can help you on your way to success in whatever you may want to do in life, or just to help you in your day-to-day activities. A. Always believe in yourself. Even if no one else believes in you, you should believe in you. Your passion and determination will get you where you are trying to go in life. Do not let non-believers keep you from going after your dreams. B. Be the best you that you can be. Put your best foot forward. Strive to accomplish whatever it is you want to do in life. Give whatever you are trying to accomplish your all. If you do not believe in what you are doing, then why make the effort? C. Count on yourself first to make your dreams and goals come true, then count on others to stand behind and beside you. You have to believe in yourself before you can expect someone else to believe in you. The power of your success is in your own hands. What will you do with it? D. Dreams were made to achieve. Every success starts with a dream. Envision the goals you have set for yourself and set out to make them happen. If your dream seems far out of reach, reach a little further and grab hold and do not let go. Dream big. Achieve bigger. E. Excellence should be the end result. You should always strive for excellence. Anything less is not acceptable. Never settle for less than the best. F. Focus on your goals. Stay focused and motivated on what you want out of life. Seeing the clear picture ahead of you keeps your mind on the end result. Do not let minor insignificant things veer you off course. G. God should always be the head. No matter what you want to do, God should always be the center of anything you do. Keeping Him in your thoughts and mind to guide you on your path should be at the forefront of your mind. H. Help is something that should not be hard to ask for. If you need assistance, then you should not be too proud to ask for it. Pride is good for certain things, but if used at the wrong time, it could mean disaster for you in the end. So, push your pride to the side and ask for help if it is needed. I. Integrity should be automatic. Your character should matter to you. How you conduct yourself should be in a way that you are proud to show, and that someone is proud as well to show others about you. Your integrity speaks volumes about you. J. Just be true to who you are. Never change who you are as a person to fit a mold that someone else has cast for you. We are all unique in our own way, so do not be afraid to be different. Embrace the person you are and be proud of what you see when you look in the mirror. K. Knowledge should be freely shared. If you know something, do not hold on to it because you do not want someone else to know what you know. Life is all about learning, so share the knowledge. L. Life has so much meaning. It is up to you to find out what life means to you. Live life to the fullest. Do all and be all that you were meant to be. Do not waste your life away worrying about the wrong things. M. Motivate yourself and others. Stay motivated and motivate others to accomplish their dreams. Motivating someone else can also help to motivate, or keep you motivated in whatever it is you are doing. Your words can be the fuel that someone else needs to push themselves to keep going. N. Never give up on your dreams. No matter how hard it seems, or how long it takes, keep pushing forward to succeed. If things are not going the way you think they should, or moving as fast as you would like, do not give up. Let time work itself out. In time, you will be where you want to be. Keep your dreams alive, and work diligently to make them a reality. O. Observe ways to improve yourself. No one is perfect, so always look for ways you can improve. Be observant of your strengths and weaknesses. Always work on creating a better you. Just because something about yourself needs improvement, does not mean that something is wrong. Improvement shows your growth and ability to learn. P. Plan ahead to keep from falling behind. Set short-term and long-term goals for yourself. Plan for things in advance so that if your time frame for completing something shortens, then you can always be on time no matter what because you have planned. No one likes to be caught off guard. Q. Quality not quantity should be what matters most to you in your life. Possessions should never trump your quality of life. Living a safe, healthy, and happy life should override what possessions you obtain in life. When it is all said and done, you cannot take any worldly possessions with you, so focus on what you do with your life, not what you obtain in it. R. Remember that every success starts with a dream. Anything you want to do in life has a beginning, and that beginning is a dream. A dream to be successful at whatever you put your mind to. Do not let your dream disappear like a wisp of smoke. Keep it at the forefront of your mind. Work at achieving your dream every chance you get. S. Success is not built overnight. It will take determination, patience, support, and a lot of disappointments to get to where you want to be. Patience is a virtue. Climb the ladder of success slowly so that you can marvel at how you got to the top when you get there. T. Take time to give thanks. Always remember the ones that helped you along your journey. Thank those who stood by when you felt discouraged, or disappointed when things did not go your way. Thank your Heavenly Father for your blessings and gifts. Thank the people who influenced you. Appreciation for the people who encouraged you will go a long way on your journey to success. U. Understand that things will not always be easy. If things are always given to you without any effort, then you will not be able to appreciate the struggle and determination that you exuded to get to where you are. Everything that comes easy is not always a good thing. Let things fall into place the way they do, and you will reap the reward you seek. Versus visualize where you see your life going. Always have a vision of what you want to do in life. Never just live life just to exist in life. Even if the vision you have for yourself veers, as long as you have a vision to start with, it can be modified as needed. Always have a plan. W. Willingness to admit your faults takes courage. Do not be afraid to admit when you are wrong. No one in the world is always right about everything. Admit your faults and move on to work on ways to improve them. Admitting that you have faults and finding ways to work on them displays your bravery. X. X-rays are pictures of your insides. What would your brain look like if it were X-rayed? Always keep your mind engaged in activity. Never stop learning and exploring because you finish school. The world is full of new possibilities for growth. Y. You are the key to your success. You are the starting line for whether you succeed or fail. If you do not believe in your dream, how do you expect someone else to? It all starts with you. Believe and know that you can do anything you put your mind to. Z. Zest to live life. Go out and enjoy life. Do not let minor, insignificant things hold you back from being happy. Enjoy all the wonderful things that life has to offer. The world has so many opportunities at your fingertips. You just have to go for them. I hope you enjoyed relearning your ABCs. Hopefully, these words of inspiration and motivation will help jumpstart your dreams, goals, and desires to be a more positive thinker. We all have those moments when we doubt ourselves, or do not have the drive to keep going. But thankfully this list of well-crafted motivational quotes will be here to catch you when you fall short. Just pick one and try to implement it into your daily life.